Hi, my name is Hannah, and for my ropes project, I built a dog sled for my dog Kona. My first step was to make sure she could pull me on my sled and my skis. After my dad and I got the materials, the first step was to take off the bindings from my skis. Next, I had to measure and cut the wood. Then I had to drill some holes and attach the wood to the skis. Next, I attached the railings, the base, and the handle to the sled. This part took a long time, so I sped up the video. Next, I had to attach a leash holder to the sled. I was really happy about my dog sled and couldn't wait to test it. Now here's where I had a lot of fun. First I got a test without my dog, and then I got a test with my dog. And the best part was, it worked! Kona was happy, and so was I.